Hi, my name is Ria Salaguhit and I am from the Philippines. I would like to apply in the front office training program with your company. I am interested in this program because I want to learn and experience more about hotel industry. And I know that this would help me to strengthen my knowledge and capabilities in dealing with different kinds of people. To tell you a little bit of myself, I am 20 years old and I graduated from Lyceum of the Philippines University Manila, batch 2014, with a degree of Bachelor of Science in International Travel and Tourism Management. When I was still studying, I can proudly say that I am a constant lister, which is why right after graduation, I got a job as a customer service agent or a ground crew under Philippine Airlines. You should hire me because I am a people-oriented person and I can work well in a team. And I know that the experience I've gained in the airline industry would help me in this new venture with my life. And also that experience gave me a deep understanding of what a real customer service is all about. Thank you for your time and cooperation and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.